Now we want to add the fifth element to this list. In this list we have only 4 elements. I want to add some other element. For that there is a command called append. So I am writing a dot append. Now we can add the element. Example, I want to add the element 20. Now the 20th, now the element 20 is added to the list as a fifth element. Now I want to add some float value. It is some 3.14. This is the float. So this 3.14 is added to the list as a sixth element. Now we can add a string. So that string India. This India is added as a seventh element to the list. This is how whenever we want to add any data type, whether it is integer or float or string or complex value or boolean data type variable, then that particular value can be added by using the a dot append. But what if you want to add this value in between or at the indexing value 2? Now you are expecting at this place, you are expecting a value at this place, then what we have to do? Then there is a command, then we can use a dot insert. Now we are writing a dot insert in the place in the second. So at the indexing 2 I want to add some value, some 40. We will see whether the 40 is in the index 2, a new value 40 is added. So can we add, so inserted we can say, can we insert a string at index 5? So at index 5 I am interested to add the string some AP. So now you can observe here, after GPT at the index 5 the AP is inserted. This is how the command insert is used to add a value at a particular index. Now what if we want to copy the entire data in list A to list B? Then we have an option called a dot copy. If we assign this to the B, then the entire list A is copied to B. Now you can observe the entire list A, whatever the elements are there in the list A, all the elements are copied to B. Now I am checking what is the data type of B. The data type of B is also list. So we want to now we want to copy the data from B to a new variable C. So C is equal to B dot copy. So we are copying all elements in B to C. Now if we check what is the data type of C, it is a list.